Hello, I'm here with special guest Simon Hopkins from Prismium Cables, and they're helping us with some of our Eve installs. And Simon has volunteered to pull names for our survey prize draw. We've had over 350 responses, so thanks for that. So let's pull out 3 tickets. Each one wins access to Eve when she goes live in April. Simon, there they are.
Thank you, Dave.
They're good to dig around.
That's, in fact, yes, I'm going to make sure I get...
What? I'm going to put that one back in.
Daniel Gilbert.
Daniel, you've got Eve when she goes live. Well done. Ta-da! Should be some sort of drum roll affair going on here, shouldn't
yes, I can perform to the music. And Jay Dumpheys.
Jay Dumpheys, we'll be contacting all of these winners directly, but that's the name, Jay Dumpheys. If you're watching, contain that excitement.
And do we get a drum roll again for this? And Pete Tomlins.
Pete Tomlins.
Well done, Pete.
So well done, Pete. Those are 3 winners, and as I say, we will be contacting you by email to make sure that you know, and we'll send you our registration link. So well done to all our winners. Now, if you've been holding off buying our course to see if you got the free one because you knew you entered the draw, well, if you're not those names, now you know you didn't. So, but you can still take advantage of the early bird deal of only £99 plus VAT to get access to Eve. If you are an early bird, you can study the course while all this mess with the virus blows over. And once it's over, if you decide to, you can upgrade to the exam for the special discounted price of only £200 plus VAT. The normal RRP for the course with exam is £349 plus VAT. And even that's a good deal when you consider what we're including in Eve that just can't be done in the classroom. So go to learninglounge.com/Eve and book your seat today using the code EARLY1 at the checkout to get the early bird deal. Thanks very much for helping us, Simon. All the very best at Prismium. Stay well, and we'll see you soon.